going on, guys? Got a repair video today. Got a customer here with the all-in-one HP Pavilion 23. It's a regular all-in-one. Problem they got, they have Windows 8.1 on it, and I know this thing has some kind of product key chip on it for Windows 8.1, so I'm going to take this hard drive out. We're upgrading to an SSD, and with these all-in-ones, you take this little cover off here, and there's our motherboard. Smallest motherboard ever. But he's got 4 gigs of RAM on here. Just so happens I have the same DDR3L RAM in here. I'm about to upgrade to 16 gigs in this stick, in that laptop, so I'm gonna put my 4 gig stick in here, and he'll have 8 gigs of RAM on this all-in-one with an SSD. And I have a Samsung 250 gigabyte SSD I got a long time ago. I'm gonna give to him for a pretty good deal. But we're gonna upgrade him to Windows 10, and I gotta forensically recover some files on this drive because we did a system recovery, the HP system recovery, and I selected for it to back up the files, and it didn't back up the files. It just restored it from the recovery partition, which made no sense to me. So I mean, I'm pretty sure it's booted to the recovery partition, and it made a new image off of when it reinstalled. After it reinstalled Windows 8 again, it made a new recovery, because the only recovery that's available on there now is one that was created on the date that I did the recovery, which is freaking stupid the way they do that. Why can't, if I have Windows recovery enabled in Windows, why is it not taking an image and saving that image? I had no system restore at all in there, but HP makes one at the start. So I mean, I couldn't find one until I did the reset. Why wasn't there one to begin with? Anyway, enough with that rant. I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm upgrading this guy. We're gonna get this, put him another stick in there and upgrade him to an SSD. This is about I want to say it's about an 8-year-old PC, and we're gonna make it run like new. It is gonna be faster than most of the brand new laptops and all-in-ones you can buy at Walmart and stuff right now. And you can go in there right now for maybe $300, $400 and get a brand new one. They can claim it's all this and that, whatever. But if you put an SSD in place of your hard drive and up your RAM, you're gonna be going. Your computer is gonna be so much faster than anything you could buy. It's cheap. I'm gonna do this for less than $150. A new PC costs $300. You do the math. Like, it just makes sense to do this. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna get them cleaned up, and they're gonna have like a new computer for less than half the cost of a new one, because that's all they were doing, was just buying new ones because they don't know what to do with them. And now I told them I'll just fix the ones they got. So I'm gonna make an update video when it's done, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned for that. See you later.